Hey there everyone, today we're going to cover object detection using the YOLO model. We're not going to design the architecture for the model, but we're going to use a compiled version. In order to do that, I have a video file ready inside my Google Drive, and I'm going to mount that Google Drive. You can proceed to do so, but remember that I have already mounted mine, so you're not going to see the additional prompts. Once I've done that, I can check my folder to see if the Drive folder has appeared. And it has. We can also run the command for OS to list the directory in order to check as well, but it's the same thing. You can change the directory to access that file, but we'll hold off on that. What we can do is git clone basically the model. Through GitHub, Ultralytics has released its model, basically all the files we need, and we can clone it into our drive. We're going to need, for example, to access detect.py and requirements.txt. Now, once we've cloned that in, we can go into the YOLO folder by using a bash command, cd, going into there, and now we can access all the files. For example, like we talked about, we can install all the requirements within the requirement.txt, which is basically like modules. As you can see, a lot of them are satisfied, but they're familiar names such as like pandas and seaborn, etc. Once we've done that, we can now use Python to grab that detect.py and grab our video file. Now you can put your video file in here, just specify the directory. I have my video file somewhere else, so I'm going to specify the directory like this. It's going to be -- source, and then it's going to go to content, my drive, my YouTube folder for specifics, and the name itself. Once I run that, it's going to go through and list the model weight, as well as for each frame, it's going to give me the detection. Now, we're not going to wait till it's finished because I've already done that for you. So let's check out the video. First of all, the default video goes as so. There's no bounding boxes whatsoever. There are cars, there are people, and this is a very open source video. So let me show you the results. So here's the results. So here you see a person with the confidence next to it with the bounding box as well as the car. If I'm careful, we can catch the model making some mistakes. For example, it's still doing quite well, but when it gets to the other side, it detects this sign as a person, and it may detect the cars in front of us as a truck in green, if you can catch that very quickly. That's pretty much it. Go ahead and try to use different videos and see what you get, or see what you find. If you like that, please like and comment and subscribe below, and let me know if you have any additional things that you would like to see. Take care. Bye-bye.